What's up guys, Dan over here, MMAfightingsecrets.com, MMAwarriorstraining.tv. Today I got what I want to call the anti-core exercise. Right? You already know a bunch of the normal core like sit-ups or like med ball rotations or anything that that involves movement. But what a lot of people don't think about, especially in MMA, are the anti-movements. So you have 4 planes of movement with your abs. You have flexion, right, like sit-ups. You have lateral flexion, okay. You have rotation, and then you have extension, like this. So in your anti-movement, you're not moving in that direction, but you're stopping yourself from going to that direction. Okay, so I want to show a couple. I'll show you an example of each one. So you have flexion. You have flexion. A setup is a flexion. Anti-flexion is a plank. You have like side bends for lateral flexion. You have a side plank for lateral flexion, anti-lateral flexion. For rotational, say for example, actually no, it could be here. You're here. See me how I'm resisting for my body to go that way. You're here. Okay. Out anti-rotation. And then anti-extension are like Superman's right here. Okay? So you want to practice doing all the anti stuff. Do not make it the core of your movement. Say for example you have a fight in 5 months, right? So what you're gonna do is that the first month or two, you're gonna work a lot of these anti-core stuff. And as you progress along, you get closer, then you move to flexion-based stuff. Like rotation, all that stuff. That's the important part. But to do this is also important. It also works and supports all the movement that you're gonna do later on, right? So that's it. Go down below to MMAfightingsecrets.com where you're gonna get tips like these and a lot more for free. So go ahead down below MMAfightingsecrets.com, click that button, sign up, get your free stuff, and I'll see you on the other side.